What happens when your friend is a great cook and you're terrible at it? Well, you get lucky for times. So, this is nothing but a morning leftover that is Savai Maggi made at our flat, but really I didn't want to have it. So, I asked my friend, can you make some twist in it? She said, yeah, of course, let's add some twist in it. She made Maggi in it, Anda Maggi, the savior food for all the bachelors. And yeah, it was added to the leftover. And trust me, guys, for a change, I was saved. Just make sure to follow through the video, try it at your house if you want to get saved like me, and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you, take care, bye bye.